Let us solve for A and B. Given A plus B is equal to 4. AB is equal to 34. Solution. Here, A plus B is equal to 4. Let us call this equation 1. AB is equal to 34. Let us call this equation 2. From equation 1, A plus B is equal to 4. Let us make B the subject of the formula. B is equal to 4 minus A. Let us call this equation 3. From equation 2, AB is equal to 34. Let us substitute for B, which is 4 minus A. Then we have A bracket 4 minus A is equal to 34. Let us open this bracket with A. We have 4A minus A square is equal to 34. Then this can be written as 4A minus A square minus 34 is equal to 0. Let us put this in standard form. Here we have minus A square plus 4A minus 34 is equal to 0. Let us divide the whole of this equation by minus 1. So the whole of this can be written as A square minus 4A plus 34 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. Let us solve this using quadratic formula. A is equal to minus B plus or minus square root of B square minus 4AC divided by 2A. And from this given equation, A is equal to 1, B is equal to minus 4, C is equal to 34. A is equal to minus bracket minus 4 plus or minus square root of minus 4 square minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 34 divided by 2 multiplied by 1. A is equal to minus times minus 4, that is 4, plus or minus square root of minus 4 square, 16, minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 34, that is 136, divided by 2 multiplied by 1, 2. A is equal to 4 plus or minus square root of 16 minus 136, that is minus 120, divided by 2. This can be written as 4 plus or minus square root of minus 120 can be written as square root of 120 multiplied by minus 1 divided by 2. A is equal to 4 plus or minus square root of 120 multiplied by square root of minus 1 divided by 2. Then 120, let's see, this is divisible by 2. Here is 60. This is divisible by 2. Here is 30. And this only divisible by 2. Here is 15. 5, 3, 1. Therefore, here is 2 square. Then here we have 2 multiplied by 5, then multiplied by 3. 2 times 5, 10 times 3, 30. So therefore, 120 is equal to 4 multiplied by 30. A is equal to 4 plus or minus square root of 120 can be written as square root of 4 multiplied by 30, then multiplied by square root of minus 1 divided by 2. A is equal to 4 plus or minus square root of 4 is 2. Square root of minus 1 is I, then root 30 divided by 2. A is equal to 4 divided by 2 plus or minus 2I divided by 2 root 30. This cancel this. 2 here 1, 2 here 2. A is equal to 2 plus or minus I square root of 30. Therefore, A1 is equal to 2 plus I square root of 30, comma, A2 is equal to 2 minus I square root of 30. These are the values of A. We've gotten the values of A. Let us solve for B. To solve for B, from equation 3, B is equal to 4 minus A. Then B1 is equal to 4 minus A1 is 2 plus I square root of 30. And B2 is equal to 4 minus 2 minus I square root of 30. Then B1 is equal to 4. If you open the bracket with this negative, we have minus 2 minus I square root of 30. B1 is equal to 4 minus 2. This is 2 minus I square root of 30. Here is the value of B1. Then B2 is equal to 4 minus, if you open the bracket with negative, we have 2 plus I square root of 30. B2 is equal to 4 minus 2. This is 2 plus I square root of 30. Here is the value of B2. Therefore, our final answer are A1, B1 is equal to 2 plus I square root of 30, 2 minus I square root of 30. Then A2, B2, this is equal to 2 minus I square root of 30, 2 plus I square root of 30. You can see that the value of A1A is equal to the value of B2A, and the value of B1A is equal to the value of A2A. We may check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. Let us check. To check, we have the given equation. A plus B is equal to 4. AB is equal to 34. Let us consider this. A plus B, this can be written as 2 plus I square root of 30 plus 2 minus I square root of 30 must be equal to 4. This cancel this. 2 plus 2, this is 4, is equal to 4, which is true. Let us consider this. AB, this can be written as 2 plus I square root of 30 multiplied by 2 minus I square root of 30 must be equal to 34. 2 multiplied by 2, this is 4. 2 multiplied by minus I root 30, this is minus 2I root 30. I root 30 multiplied by 2 plus 2I root 30. I root 30 multiplied by minus I root 30, this is minus I square multiplied by 30 must be equal to 34. This cancel this. 4 minus I square multiplied by 30 must be equal to 34. I square is equal to minus 1. 4 minus bracket minus 1 multiplied by 30 must be equal to 34. Here, 4 plus 30 must be equal to 34. 4 plus 30, this is 34, is equal to 34, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe. Thank you. Bye.